Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle, a binary puzzle 10 by 10 in today's newspaper of Saturday, April the 15th, 2023. In this puzzle page, I've already solved two puzzles. The Sudoku with 3 stars, well, it's actually 2 stars. And I've already solved the killer Sudoku. So, 2 puzzles remain, the tectonic, and you are interested in the binary puzzle. Yes, binary puzzle number 6280. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 26 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Then. Yeah. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Well, we have here, I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O, and fifth O. So that box should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, now I'm stuck. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the second row. Not allowed one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Still we have 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have still 3 O's in a row in this second row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 5 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. Double 1 here, no there, no. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones we have here. If we place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have here 4 1s. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not that I want one of the rules, so this is going to be 1. This should be no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. And double O, here 1, there 1. Completed in 6 minutes without comparing. Yes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic. Until then, bye bye for now.